Whose channel is this?
My channel.
Yours.
That's it.
We're gonna be opening these treasure extract.
Okay, so let's
Let's
open them.
So we actually have not opened these ones before.
Oh, we gotta open it.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, that's fine.
Okay.
Let's
So
use our
this
tools that we
thing.
got. At least we get more of these.
Paper. And then
I'm happy that we
that.
get more papers.
So
Ow, ow.
get this thing open.
You just gotta peel off the tape and then you're
We
good.
just gotta peel off the tape.
And then you're good.
I'm actually just gonna. Oh, I got my first little thingy. So first, I did mine.
So that's officially
just-
yours first adventure pack. Like
This
whatever's
is
in
Max-
there, you
So this
keep.
is my first
That's
adventure pack.
actually your
I've
first
actually never
ever.
opened one of these before. So this is gonna be my first. What if it's like the Robo guy? Do I still
don't
get to
know.
keep him?
I guess.
I got this little thing. So first, we gotta do the aim thing.
Maddie, we already know what we're aiming.
Okay, yeah, I'm aiming for the book. Do you think? We really hope we get the gold.
This is hard.
I gotta get this.
Oh,
on the
we
ta-
should
gotta
probably soak
this
it in water. Here,
Dude,
you tutorial them while I go and soak.
I got it, and then you tutorial them while I go soak mine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these. So I'm gonna go and soak mine in water with Jude. Here, could you just? No, it's okay. So I'm just gonna got my treasure X dragon. Gonna soak it in water and like dry it off just a little bit. Okay, sorry, it's a little messy. We are moving. So Jude, oh gosh, mine isn't even that damp.
Whoa! I think that might be the treasure chest to unlock gold.
I think mine's not waterproof enough. Hold on.
Also, hey guys. I'm going to be on my channel. All right.
Now
Are you
it's
better?
damp enough.
Maddie, you left. No.
I cannot open
Oh, I see some. I see my first. It has purple on it.
Dang.
I don't know if it's the same one. Though. I gotta get my.
No, because everyone has the purple treasure chest, I think. Okay. So I'm gonna open this.
Whoa! I just got a new. I think I got like a bottle or something.
Do you think that might be the? I think that might be the weapon.
I think that might be the weapon. I think it might be the weapon.
Dang it, Jude. Could you go get us a bottle of water, or like a big bowl of water, so we can soak it in?
Sure. That's probably the best thing.
So Jude has got. Oh my gosh. That's Jude's, not mine. Mine is not even.
I got some. It has a little bit of cheesy things in it.
Ew! Why did it have cheese in it?
I have no clue. But I gotta soak mine first because I'm closest to getting it.
Okay, up.
Never mind. It doesn't matter. Okay, we'll
We'll clean it up after.
I think this might be the weapon. I'm pretty sure. I think this might be a weapon. So it's like a piece of meat, I think. It's like a cane.
Oh my gosh, I got something. Something blue. Oh, it's a treasure chest.
I think I know what it is.
What? I did not get a purple treasure chest.
I think I know which one
I got
it
a
is.
blue one.
I got a blue treasure chest.
Who do you think it is?
I'm not telling you. I think I know who it is.
Is it someone good?
I mean, maybe. Who knows? Is it?
Alright, so mine is, oh, this is messy. We're
Wait a
gonna have to
second.
clean this up
Wait a
after.
second. It can't be that guy.
Why?
Okay. So it must
So
be.
you have no idea who it is.
I have no clue who it is.
I'm not really sure who mine is either.
Look at my shirt. It's all like.
My poor weak mama shirt.
So I don't think.
Okay, I got
We
it.
can put water in it, I think, for better luck to get gold. So.
What? I think we're both gonna get goop. I'm not sure if we're gonna get gold.
I don't know. Maybe.
If I get gold, I really hope I get the book.
I mean, at least
I
we get
can't
gold.
get the treasure chest open.
You know what?
Let's just soak mine in water.
Gotta soak mine at the top for a little. There we go. This must be good.
Just gonna open mine from the bottom.
I soaked my
think.
top. This better be better.
Yeah, this is a lot better. Oh gosh, okay. I can really dig in here now.
Yeah, me too.
This might take a while. I may have to do part 2.
No. I finally found my treasure chest. Finally.
I found my treasure chest a
didn't
while
find
ago. I
my-
just haven't been able to open it. Okay, should I, like...
Let's open it. If we get the treasure chest, let's open it
right
at
away.
At the end.
Oh, okay.
Because
We had 2 different ideas, but
Who cares? Let's do them.
I guess let's do your idea. I'm just gonna put mine on here so I don't leak. Gosh, I have 3. What is this? I got a weapon too, and my weapon doesn't just have gold on it. It has something blue on it.
I don't know if this is. Yeah, this must need to be my weapon.
Dang it, I did not get the girl I wanted.
I don't know who this is.
Not get the pink girl. Don't look, you gotta be surprised. Oh, I got my treasure chest.
Wait.
Don't,
What is this?
don't.
I don't know what this
look at
is.
it. I don't think that's your weapon.
I think
Gosh.
it is. It needs
So I got
to.
my treasure chest out.
Don't open it.
I'm not going to. I just need to soak it a little bit more to get my body parts. This is my first treasure X, I guess. And that's your 3rd.
Yep, this is my theory.
Yeah, I feel like I got a bunch of blue things so far, so I'm kind of excited. Okay,
I'm getting pretty close to my.
dude, you're flinging it all.
I'm sorry. I'm not even
Look at
close. Who cares?
What the? I think I might have got someone good.
Wait. I don't know who that is.
My first treasure X guy looks a little weird.
Oh, here's my first. Oh, so it's like something. This is my weapon. Let's not look at it. Let me just soak it real quick.
I hope you don't get cheese on it.
Here's my. So we know that it's not one of the ones that I have because is this one of my weapons that I've had?
No.
So it's not somebody that I had. I think this might be a girl.
Did we finally? Oh my gosh. Who is this?
Who's this?
Oh.
What is that?
Okay.
Who is on Earth?
Head. So who got a head like this?
That one.
No, not that guy. No, because he got the black guy. Who is this?
Let's not look.
Okay. Yeah,
Let's just
so
not
I got
look.
this head so far. I'm gonna soak it in water while I'm getting out my axe thing. Oh, this is good.
That must be. I think that might be a legendary. If I'm not.
I don't.
Your first ever one. If it's a legendary, I'm going to like.
One of your first ever ones was a legendary.
My second one was a legendary.
The first one you love. It's like it has a panda head. Or
Yeah,
something.
it has a panda hat. It's
Okay. Oh my gosh.
awesome. Wait. No way. You got that guy.
Oh.
That's the guy that I was aiming for. If I get a girl. Okay. If I get a girl.
This will be really annoying if you get a girl.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. We'll just need to do a trade, I guess.
No, I'm not trading my legendary guy.
That's not a legendary.
Well, he's still very good. Oh my gosh. I got his arm.
Does this guy
Soak
have a
that in
tail?
water. Wait, where does his arm go? Shoot. Okay. Just gonna plop that in the water.
Wait, I still haven't got my treasure chest. This
You
is
still haven't got your treasure
This
chest?
is so hard.
Yeah, they're hard to open. What else could there be in there? Okay, there's I'm just plopping all my body parts in there.
I get if
Plop. Mom, I promise we'll clean up after this.
I got a girl.
You did.
Look, I got her.
Oh my gosh, what's her name?
I don't know.
Goldug.
Can we trade?
No, I like my guy.
I kind of like her. I like purple, so.
Okay, is there anything else in here?
Whoa. What is this?
There's anything?
This is an arm.
I gotta take all this stuff out, so.
This is so.
I got these 2 things. Plop, plop.
Remember,
Wait, I got
you can
something
still
else,
get
Jude.
gold.
Plop, plop. And I got one more arm.
Yep, you got the boy. Maddie, can you wait for me? I think you got everything.
Where's the other arm?
No. It must be still in there.
Okay.
Yeah, it must still be in there.
I promise we'll clean up.
Oh, yeah. Yes, you will.
Just get a bucket full of sand.
Shoot, I do not know what the arm is. Okay.
It's a bad idea. Whoa. Ready? Where'd the arm go? Let's just do a real quick research.
My guy never has an arm. Where did I put the arm? I swear, did I gotta replay that video and see. Wait, where did the arm go? Dad? My guy didn't come with an arm. No, I know. Like, I digged all of it up. Wait, what? So you guys know who we got. We'll make another video, part 2, once I find the arm. Okay, bye. Say bye, Jude, because it's your
Bye.
channel.